In this video, I'm here with an amazing Hostinger coupon code deal. So if you are looking to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then this video will be the best choice for you, because in this video, I will reveal a special discount link which is mentioned in the description of this video, plus two of the coupon codes. And in addition to this, I will reveal how you can use those coupon codes to get as much as up to 89% discount. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this. And now over here you can see amazing plan, features, functions of Hostinger, and you can create your own website or app through Hostinger Horizons, which is just an AI tool. Just have to give the command, it's automatically going to create the website for you. Hosting also had drag and drop website builder, and Hosting also supports build a WordPress website. Even my own blog is in WordPress, and I'm using Hostinger to host it. And Hostinger also has migrate to Hostinger. So if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, Hostinger migration service is going to cover all of those for you. So now scroll above and simply select the explore all plans over here. Make sure to click on the link in the description, because these are special exclusive prices for my audience over here. And now you can see that Hostinger has 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support. Hostinger offers you various plans. You can choose any as per your convenience. You can see you can get as much as up to 89% on the business plan, 85% on the premium, and 81% on cloud setup. But before you select any plan, my recommendation is to do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions before choosing any one. But I've been using a business plan from the last 4 years, and for the first year I used a premium, so a total of 5 years I'm with Hostinger. So let's say we are going with a business plan which I'm using it, but again I recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions before choosing for anyone, because this is a difficult decision, because you are going to host your website. So do your research. My recommendation is to offer the premium or business plan. They have almost everything which you may need it, and I'm currently using business plan and I'm very happy with it. So once you click on it, you can see you are being landed over here. Now you can see your order summary over here, and a special coupon code is already applied. If not, you can write manually over here. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price got a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount at Hostinger. So this is exclusive Hostinger service for my audience. So you can see your order summary over here, and you can also see your Hostinger billing period. Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods. You can choose 48, 24, 12 or 1 month. That is totally your choice, but my recommendation is to offer the 48 months or 24 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again. These are special prices. You can see yourself you are saving $739 over here. It's from 911 to 172. In addition to this, you are also getting 2 extra months, daily backup, free domain, and a 10% additional discount as well. So all of the links are mentioned in the description of this video. You can claim your free domain by writing over here for the first year, or later on through the Hostinger control panel. If you want to claim it, you just have to write it over here, and I'm just showing you an example. The free domain is valid only for the first year, so you can see I'm selecting it for the first year only by making it first year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for this. My free domain privacy is also included. Everything is perfect. Now I'm simply select the continue, and I may be asked to log in or create a new account at Hostinger. So I'm going to log in and get back to you. So I'm just logged in at Hostinger. You can see the order summary. Everything is fine. The coupon code is loaded. I can write my billing details over here. Once I write my billing details over here, simply select the continue and move on to the last part, and that is doing the payment at Hostinger. Now Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. So the procedure is very easy. So let's say I'm going with the credit card, I'm going with the PayPal. I just have to select it, go through the process, and once I submit the payment, within few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. So just for a revision, if anyone wants to buy their hosting from Hostinger, then this may be the perfect time to buy your hosting. Especially exclusive discounts are running right now for my audience. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your hosting with Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger with these amazing coupon codes. Good luck.